Hey y'all, thanks for joining in here. I was going to show you another project I got going on here from Copart. It's a 96 Jeep. It gets you turned around where you can see what we're looking at. It's a 96 Jeep Copart. Been hit in the front. It's got light damage on the front. Needs a headlight and a grill put in it. Pretty decent little old Jeep. It's got the V8 in it, the 5.2 liter Grand Cherokee Limited. Be a real easy project to fix. But major damage on it. Just bolt on parts. Like I say, the V8 model. Let's see if it'll start up. See if it'll start up today. A little dirty inside. Where we had it, didn't take too good of care of it. Let me get the battery cable. I had the battery cable off, charging the battery on it. Let me stick the battery cable on. Let's see if it'll start up. Let's see. Somebody looks like they put a new alternator on it. It's got the big 5.2 V8 4x4. Well, let's see if she'll fire up this morning. Yeah, fired right up. Runs pretty good. The leather, it's got leather edition. The headliners are falling down on it, but I mean, it's just an old Jeep. Be a good four-wheeling Jeep. Just want to show you another project I got in. Probably have more. Just like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.